Good morning, this is Deputy Chief Winkles with the Charlotte Fire Department. We've got 5 new construction projects going on and 1 renovation, so let's hop in the car and take a quick tour of them. We're here at Firehouse 11, which was constructed in 1958. And this is going to be a complete tear down and rebuild here on 28th Street near Graham. It's going to house the future Battalion 9, Engine 11, and Rescue 11. It'll be a 2-story station with the living quarters upstairs and 4 bays wide. We're here at Firehouse 45, where we're making great strides in the construction. Construction date is scheduled for December of this year, and this will house ladder 45. We're standing here in the future kitchen of Firehouse 45, and I'm going to walk into the bay where we can take a quick look at the catwalk where the 2 fire poles will be housed that will carry you from the 2nd story down to the bay floor. As you can see, the outside walkway that'll have the 2 fire poles on it will have 3 doors that exits from the night side of the building, which is the 2nd story. All right, we're pulling up here to the future site of Firehouse 46, which is at the corner of Miranda Road and Beatty's Ford. This is going to be a 2-story station, 3 bay. It's going to house the company up here towards the north end of the city, and we're actually annexing a lot of property up towards North Lake Mall, and this firehouse will cover that area along with the surrounding areas of Beatty's Ford and Miranda. Firehouse 46 is going to be a mirror design of Firehouse 45. It's going to have the day side downstairs, the night side upstairs, with the poles out in the bay. And then in the future, we're actually going to be able to build some training facilities or training props on the back of this 6-acre lot. Firehouse 46 will be facing Beatty's Ford Road. Welcome to Firehouse number 30. This will be the permanent location. It'll be a 2-story, 3-bay station, identical to Firehouse 45. It'll be all electric, and it will house Charlotte's first all-electric fire engine. We're looking at all the geothermal wells for Firehouse 30 that's going to be integrated into the heating and air conditioning systems. This is one of the 5 ongoing new construction projects for the Charlotte Fire Department that's near and dear to all of our hearts because it gives Firehouse 30 a permanent home after more than 30 years. We're here at our last stop today, Firehouse number 2. It's not new construction, but a big renovation that's going to give them 4 new bathrooms and showers, and it's going to be the future home of the tiller for Firehouse number 2. We're showing you one of the bathrooms that's being installed here at Firehouse number 2. It'll have a small room that'll have lockers on both sides as you walk into the new bathroom. All right, we're back at headquarters today. I hope you enjoyed the tour of all the construction going on with Charlotte Fire Department as we continue to be blessed and serve our community.